30 years ago, Metaltech started with just a few roles, a machine and a vision to empower manufacturing industry by bringing people together to connect and grow.
At the time, I wanted to participate in an exhibition that can actually give us the exposure to the industry. After survey, we found that Metaltech is one of the exhibitions we can actually participate.
When we first approached companies, I remember the reaction was often, an exhibition for machines and manufacturing? What's that?
I'm Teo Tuan Ka. I'm the founder and chairman of IME Group of Companies. IME has been participating in Metaltech since day one. It was an important platform to connect with the manufacturing industry in Malaysia.
They are quite well equipped. They have a good market resources and contact.
But it was not easy in the beginning. Many companies didn't see the value of exhibition like this. Convincing the industry that this could be more than just a showcase was one of our biggest challenges.
We participated, I think, 1997. So that time we take a booth. We only 3 or 4% to attend the show.
We exhibit with very basic, that means we have the simple table, shelf scheme with the basic.
You will need to handle everything from setting up the booth, making sure everything in place after we finish the show. Tiring but exciting and very fruitful.
From the first year of Metaltech until now, our booths are getting bigger, more branding coming to us for the distribution.
We are using a lot of EDM, electronic-based Instagram or Facebook and all these things. So it's very good publicity for us also.
So we're able to reach domestic and overseas customers. As well for the East Malaysia, they will fly over to meet us. So we're able to get some opportunities through the Metaltech platform.
Metaltech has built a platform where we can showcase our solutions, build strong business relationships, and create new opportunities.
Over time, the perception began to change. People really started to see the value of having everything in one place, one platform where they could experience technologies firsthand, where they could connect with the right partners, and where they could have real technical and business conversations.
What I can say is Metaltech can draw some VIP customers into the show where we have a difficulty to get hold of them. And then from there we can have a chance to deal with them.
Because Metaltech is a bigger in Malaysia machinery show, we need to participate, and then the good relationship with the Metaltech, we just can get our product continue running.
It has helped us to close some new deals during the exhibition.
It has helped us strengthen both partnerships and customer engagement. The audience look for the right tools. The conversations are meaningful, and it continues to be a good place to understand what the industry needs next.
And that's what trade exhibitions like Metaltech are all about. And that's what we here at Informal Markets strive to create. It's our job to create meaningful platforms that bring industries together and drive real business forward. Trade shows are catalysts for business. They're economic accelerators. There's a Malay phrase for that: Pemangkin Pembangunan Negara.
Metaltech has grown from a traditional machinery-focused exhibition into a broad platform for automation, smart manufacturing, and digital transformation.
So in next few years, we believe the Industry 5.0 will come in soon with robotic integrate with the AI. So we must be well prepared for this section.
We hope NCT can support the industry for the next 30 years.
I would say we are looking forward to meet more new prospects where Metaltech so far been capable of making it deliver.
Metaltech has never just been about the exhibition or venue. It's about the people behind it and the community we have built together.
From just a small showcase of machines to now being one of the region's leading manufacturing exhibitions, the evolution we've seen from Metaltech has been really incredible. But what truly defines these 30 years is the trust and support of our exhibitors, our industry partners, and the industry in general.
Watching this community grow has really been the highlight of my career. Today, I'm proud to say that Metaltech has become more than just an exhibition. It is the heartbeat of Malaysia's manufacturing industry.
As the industry changed, our role and solutions evolved too. So being part of this 30th anniversary is especially meaningful for us.
They're the ones who grow with us, they're the ones who guide us, and hand in hand, we adapt through change, and they continue to believe in our platform. As we look to the future, we see a smarter, more automated Malaysia, and we're really honored to play a part in this exciting development.
To our exhibitors, thank you for being part of our journey. Here's to the next 30 years of growing and moving forward together.
Happy 30th anniversary, Metaltech!